Here we're going to learn how to call methods from attributes within your class. Let's just say you have a string attribute in your class. Well, you can call all of the string methods with dot notation just as you normally do. Okay, so let's see how this works. So I'm just going to make an instance of our car class like we have always done. And let's just say I want to access the make of the car. So it is Tesla. Now, this is a string. So if I do another dot and press tab, then I have access to all of these string methods over here. So I can make it all lowercase like that. So that's all I want to point out here is that whatever attribute you have, it too will have methods, and you can just keep calling them with dot notation like this. So this works just like anything else. It could just be a little confusing to see multiple dots, but really these are all objects. Like my car is a car instance. It has a make attribute, which is a string, which has all of these string methods available like this. You can continue to call string methods. Like you can count, right, how many capital E's are here. There are 1. So there can be any number of dots that can follow because these are all objects. As long as those objects have at least one attribute or method, you can keep on using dot notation to continually access those new attributes and methods.